open your OBS Studio, click on File, click on Settings, click on Hotkeys, and here we have already assigned hotkeys. So let me delete them. So first we have to assign values to start recording or stop recording. So you can assign values to start recording by example control or R. Control R to stop recording, to start recording, and Control S to stop recording. To pause the recording, Control P to pause the recording, and Control U to unpause the recording. So if you will press Control plus R, it will start recording. It will stop recording when you press Control plus S. So for example, click on S. For example, if you will press Control R, then it will start recording in OBS Studio. When you will click on Control S, it will stop recording. So you won't have to click on start recording, after that stop recording. So that's it for today. Hope you guys like the video. Kindly subscribe my channel Tech Ideas if you are new to my channel. Bye bye.